The optimal zones for trades. In Forex trading, clean traffic refers to areas on a Forex chart where price has previously moved freely without much interruption or consolidation. This clear path allows for quicker price movements, making these zones ideal for trading strategies focused on clean, uninterrupted trends. Clean traffic zones usually lack many historical support and resistance levels. In these zones, we can see that price previously moved quickly without much consolidation. These characteristics help us predict similar smooth movements in the future, especially when analyzed on higher timeframes, like the 4-hour or daily charts. Clean traffic zones are valuable because they increase the likelihood of smooth, rapid price movements, which can provide better opportunities for profitable trades. With fewer obstacles, we can set clearer entry and exit points, which is especially useful for breakout and trend-following trades. So, that's all about clean traffic in Forex trading. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome and keep tuning in. See you in the next video.